Hello and welcome back to another DIY. So in this video we are going to be making some fringe denim jeans. I've been seeing these over Instagram, so I decided to transform these Hollister jeans that I've had for a while. I really like them. They're high-waisted, so it's going to be perfect. So first thing first, I still have some fringe left over from the dress and the two-piece that I made a while back ago. So the only thing I'm going to be doing is just cutting up the same size as where I want to glue it onto the jeans. And all I'm going to do is just use my E60 glue to just glue it on. Or you can use your hot glue gun. Or if you want to be fancy, then you can just hand sew it on. But I don't have time for that. So I just used my E60 glue to just glue it on. Then I left it overnight for it to dry, and just like that it was finished. It turned out so good. Perfect. Shh. What I started to notice about E60 glue is that it starts to dry really fast. I don't know why. Maybe because it's the old one I'm using, but I had to hurry up and then just apply everything on. Then press it down so that you can see it seeping through the fringe fabric. That's how I knew that it turned out pretty good. So this is the final product. It looks pretty cute. I love it. So this is basically the whole video. I hope you guys liked it. Hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Repeat that. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And I'll see you guys in my next DIY. Bye. Mwah.